So I'm Tom Mainville. I am a partner at Story Hill Renovations, and I'm the current chair of the NARI Expo Committee. This year's Expo will be at the Brookfield Conference Center. It's November 12th and 13th. What I like about the conference center in this new venue, we've done it here the last 2 years, super easy to park, super easy to get to, centrally located, so I think a lot of folks are fired up. So we have in the past been toiling with going to a 2-day format, and we have finally pulled the trigger to do that. I think it's going to get a few more folks involved in terms of attendance. Wednesday would be what we call Field Day, and that's where we're encouraging a lot of the field team members to come and take a look. It's going to be a lot of hands-on stuff, installation practices, things that the field guys can really get a hold of. Day 2 will be more for your owners, your managers, and your design team members. Kicks off with a great keynote speaker. We have lots of learning sessions. This is the day that really your owners, your managers, and your design team really get involved with some of the seminars and the speaking parts that people have in this. And while the day is going on, you're also able to visit a lot of our NARI member exhibitors, which they have booths set up throughout the show floor, and you can take a look at their tools, their new products, talk to reps, really establish a relationship with those folks so that you could potentially purchase from them for your next project. And if you really want to stay the entire day and you're not too tired yet, we have Choose and Brews, which is our election night for Milwaukee NARI. It's a great event. Usually there's music, beverages, and just overall good networking after a full day of classes. It's really a great event now that it's 2 days, not only because we kind of get to split it up and get everyone involved from your team, but also because as owners, we've now added some more CEU credits, which is really advantageous because a lot of times as a general contractor like myself, I'm looking to knock out all of those continuing education credits, and now I can do this literally in one event. Tickets can be ordered online. Tickets come in either you can purchase them for 1 day or you can purchase them for 2 days. And then we also really encourage non-members to come to this event. It's really a good educational piece no matter whether you're involved with NARI or not. Coming to an event like this and being a non-member, you really get a chance to see what top flight professionals look like in the remodeling industry. I feel that NARI brings a wealth of knowledge in a bunch of different trades, exhibitors. You really get the full gamut of what the NARI experience is. And with our chapter being the largest in the country, it's a great networking opportunity for you to kind of get your feet wet and to see what NARI is all about.